Hello, dear student of Standard 3. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well as I am, by the grace of Allah. Today, I have made this video to give you busy suggestion for half yearly exam. Students, you all know that we have completed chapter 1 to 5 in the class, and I have taken a video class on chapter 6. So that's the end for half yearly exam. I have given you full sheet on chapter 1, 2 and 3. Here we see the sheet from chapter 1, 2 and 3, which is already given to you. Everything will come from that sheet. You do not need to read anything from outside of this sheet. Now I will review the sheet for you. Here we see number 1, fill in the gaps with appropriate words, chapter 1. And the next, fill in the gaps with appropriate word, chapter 2. And fill in the gaps with appropriate word, chapter 3. Now we go to the next. Here we see matching from chapter 1. Next, matching number 2, that's from chapter 2. And next, matching number 3, that comes from chapter 3. Now go to the next. Our next topic is write the correct answer in your answer script. That means MCQ, multiple choice question. Here we see chapter 1, 2 and 3's multiple choice question. Now we go to the next. The next topics is write T beside the correct statements and false beside the correct ones. Here this true false comes from chapter 1, 2 and 3. Now our next topic is give short answer, chapter 1. The next topics also give short answer, chapter 2. And then we go to next. Here give short answer, chapter 3. Now our next topic is BQ, means broad question. Here write give long answer. Here we see the chapter 1's broad questions with answer, and we see broad question that comes from chapter 2 with their appropriate answer. And now we go to chapter 3. That's question are come from chapter 3. That's all are broad questions. Okay students, you complete this sheet properly. Now I will discuss about chapter 4, 5 and 6. Here you see the sheet on SQ and BQ, chapter 4, 5 and 6, which is already uploaded on our school website. You have to download it. Now we see first the sheet about chapter 4, different occupations of society. Here we see first SQ and then BQ. Now we go to the sheet from chapter 5, human qualities. Here also we see SQ and BQ also. Now we see here chapter 6, improving our social environment. Here we see SQ and next BQ. All SQ and BQ type questions are included in this sheet. But for the chapter 4, 5 and 6, you have to read fill in the blanks, true, false, matching and MCQ from the textbook. Dear student, listen carefully. For chapter 4, 5 and 6, MCQ, true, false, fill in the blanks and matching will come from textbook. I mean, for these 4 topic, you have to read textbook. Is it clear? Dear student, if you face any problem about my subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, you contact with me over Messenger or my cell phone. Okay, dear student, stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.